So I got this present from my mom and dad because I was working very hard, and I was dreaming about this gift a lot, and today I will show you what's inside when you first get your own PS4. So first of all, you get inside your PS4, you just get a plain white box that has your PS4 inside. And this is what you get when you get your PS4, a plain white box, and your PS4 is going to be inside your plain white box. So let's open this now. And I'm going to rip this. So first of all, what you see, you get your controller.
Wow.
You get your thingy to connect your PS4. You get your wires to turn your PS4 on. And you just get a stack of headphones. And you get these charging cables to charge your PS4. After when you've seen all of that, then you get your PS4. And if you bring your PS4 out, you get your first PS4. So, you see, this is your PS4. It comes in a white wrap, and I got the black jet black. And if you want to know about all of the charger cable and these goes inside one of these, I'm not sure I'm not sure how to do it. I will check later on. But so about this charging cable, you put this one inside here, then you plug this into your whatever, blah blah blah, and next you can start working your PS4. Over here, this is very little, but here there's a little power button. You can switch your PS4 on, and you can just get your controller out and like, come on. Get your controller out. To turn your controller on, there's a PlayStation button here. You turn it on and a Bluetooth thing comes up. So that means that you have to connect your Wi-Fi or charge it. And with the game, we got 2 games from the PS4, FIFA 19 and Star Wars Lost Jedi, no. But inside the PS4, we have Fortnite, and last of all, we got Division 2. So that all makes about 4 games in my PS4. And if you want to see my second videos, I can show you how to turn your PS4 on, or and there's some buttons here. And if you want to know how you put your game on your PS4, slightly over here, about here, you can just get one game. You could just get one game and just slide it in. Then you could just start playing the game thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you like and subscribe, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye bye.